Minister Narendra Modi has also unveiled the commercial coal mining, saying that reforms are going to pave the way for atmanirbhar Bharat. He also stressed on the need to reduce dependence on imports in order to achieve a self-reliant dream. Let's bring on board Mubina. She joins in with all the details. Mubina, fill us in with all of those details on the coal blocks being put up for auction.
It took a couple of years, but commercial coal mine sale is now a reality today amidst a lot of festivities and cheer. Despite the fact that, of course, we are in the lockdown, we had the Prime Minister, no less himself, inaugurating the start of the coal block auctions, which will be used by bidders for commercial purposes, that is for sale, thus finally ending Coal India's monopoly. And yes, as Mr. the Prime Minister's speech as well said very clearly, this is all towards making India self-reliant or atmanirbhar. Remember that India has the fourth largest reserves of coal in the country, or rather in the world, and still coal users are forced to essentially buy coal from outside. Today, the list of the blocks that will be put up for auction was released. Largely, the blocks are located in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and we just have one or two blocks in Maharashtra as well. The blocks are largely fully explored. There are 4 blocks, though, which are partially explored. The last date to submit the bids is roughly mid-August. 5 lakh rupees is the amount that's to be paid for the purchase of the documents tender. This has to be done on the 14th of August. So maybe by the end of August, the bidding process will come through and we'll know who has bid and how much have they bid, which blocks as well have been sold. We know for a fact that Hindalco has clearly expressed interest in participating in these coal block auctions, but we'll wait and watch and see how essentially private players are really buying into India's coal story.